Alright, we're about to head to the grocery store. Go be around people. Wish me luck. Well, we're here. Let's go see if we can find something. Well, surprisingly, we still have potatoes left. Now, in honesty, when it comes to potatoes, it doesn't really matter which one you pick. Yes, sweet potatoes are a little bit healthier, a little bit less carbs, calories than others, but there's other potatoes that have many nutrients that you need. So all you gotta do is just track your food, guys. Turkey. Honesty, this is what I'm looking for right here. Got some chicken. Egg whites. Always gotta have your egg whites. Alright, we gotta grab some water while we can. One of the best things you can do in the morning is get you a bowl of oatmeal. I usually just throw some Splenda in it and we're good to go. Sometimes some fruit, but not all the time. Well, it's been a success so far. Got everything I needed. Just picked up some rice. If you athlete or into sports or lifting or anything like that, potatoes and rice is one of the main carbs you can have. I used to fear carbs all the time, but I've learned different since, and I love it now. So now we're about to check out, guys. All right, that was pretty successful. I'm pretty surprised. Looks like people aren't freaking out as much, and the grocery stores are starting to fill back up, so that's a good thing. I'll see you guys back at home. All right, we made it back from the store safely. It's actually nice to see things going back to normal out there just a little bit. Things are being stocked back on the shelves. I got everything I needed, so I was pretty happy with that. So for this video, I actually just want to take you guys through some food prep, show you guys what I do throughout the day, throughout the week. Honestly, right now I am prepping for a show that's coming up in September. I eat 6 times a day, so without prepping and planning for my meals, there's no way I'd actually be able to hit my goals. So normally I cook for about 4 days. You really don't want to cook over that. After that, food starts getting a little sketchy, so I'd stay within like the 3 or 4 day range. Usually a lot of people like Sundays to prep, and then Wednesday, Thursday comes back around, they're prepping again for the rest of the days of the week. So that's something you guys can do. I am gonna prep today, just probably maybe for 1 or 2 days. What I normally do is I don't prep my breakfast or my dinner. Those are meals that I always like to have fresh each day. So it's just actually the meals in between, meals 2 through 5. That's usually when you're at work or you got everything going on, work, kids, school, whatever you have, working out. Those in between times when you're just running around and you don't have time to cook, at least you have something ready for you guys all the time. So for me, I have my 6-pack bag that I usually always carry around, and if I know I'm gonna be busy doing something, I'll just grab a couple meals out of the fridge, put them in the pack, and I'm good to go. So, and honestly, it just keeps me from making the excuse to go out and grab junk food or fast food when I already have food prepared at the house, or I have it with me wherever I go. So I haven't had fast food in probably 2 years now. I mean, I still got to the restaurants, get some stuff to eat here and there, but as far as fast food restaurants, I've actually given it up. So, and I actually don't even miss it anymore. So hopefully it all pays off come September when I compete again. it's something I'm actually going to film for you guys, show you the whole process from start to finish, getting down to 4 or 5% body fat when you get on stage. So hopefully that's something you guys will enjoy. So I'm going to start prepping now, so I'll see you guys here in a bit. All right guys, we're almost there. Just got done putting some of the food together here. And then right behind me, I just got done with the chicken. So we still have to cut that up. I got some potatoes in the oven. And then it should be done. Hopefully right about now. And there you have it guys, pretty quick and easy. Got enough meal prep there for a couple days. First meal, I got some ground turkey, rice, and asparagus. Second meal, I got some chicken, rice, and broccoli. And we got some lean ground beef. That's 96.4, the leanest you can probably get. A little bit more expensive, but I like it. With some red potatoes and green beans. And then some more chicken, rice, and broccoli there. Now remember, this is only meals 2 through 5 for me. Still do like making my other meals fresh. I don't feel like eating out of a container all day long. So, but it's all about keeping it simple, guys. You can season the meat, vegetables, however you want, really. Just keep it simple. Get in and out of the kitchen, and then go back to your normal lives. Have a few days off with your family. Do whatever. But like I said, keep it simple. If you guys ever need any kind of help with your nutrition, I do some personal coaching and training online. I got some pretty cool apps I can get you guys introduced with. Just message me on my Instagram right there on the screen. And then also you can reach me at my business email at meals@restorative-nutrition.rhw.com. I'll leave that on the screen there as well, and also put it down below in the description. And yeah guys, honestly, if you ever need any kind of help, just reach out to me. And you guys always know I preach about nutrition. So no matter if you're trying to live a healthy life, it don't matter how much time you're spending in that gym, you got to eat healthy if you want to reach your goals. So with that said, I hope you like this video as usual. Always like that, drop that like, leave a comment please, share with your friends. There might be someone out there that needs this. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. See you.